This app's appears show you
How to enable guided access on iPhone. Here's how to enable it. Go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here scroll down and under general section you will get guided access. Just tap on that and enable guided access. If you want to change or add a passcode for your guided access, tap on passcode settings. And here you can enable your Face ID, and to create a passcode tap here. And now create a passcode and retype the passcode for your guided access. Okay, once it's enabled, now I'm going to opening my browser. And for example, now I want to enable guided access. All you have to need to enable guided access, you have to press the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then here you will get this option. Just tap on guided access. You can circle areas on the screen you would like to disable. For example, I want to disable this whole screen. So here's I'm going to selecting my whole screen like this. After selecting the display area, just click on start. And here you have to enter your guided access passcode. And retype the passcode for verify. Here we can see my guided access has been enabled. And now if you give your phone to anyone, they won't be able to use your phone because your display is disabled now through the guided access. So as you can see, my display is not working. And now to disable the guided access, again you have to press the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And enter here your guided access passcode. And tap on end. And your guided access will be disabled. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.